a company that shapes the world with precision technology, Handok Tech. Where your ideas become reality, Handok Tech creates new value through advanced precision wire cutting EDM technology. Hello, and thank you for your interest in Handok Tech. Handok Tech is a precision machining specialist that provides top-quality products and services through continuous quality improvement and technological innovation. We promise to continue growing together with our customers, built on a foundation of trust and constant innovation. Since its founding in 2007, Handok Tech has continued to grow steadily. 2016 established in-house R&D center. 2018 acquired InnoBiz certification, 2020 factory expansion, venture company certification, root technology designation, 2022 ISO 9001 quality management system certification, electrical discharge. Machining EDM. EDM is a technology that precisely machines metal using electrical sparks. The process follows these steps. Convert CAD drawings into CNC programs. Set wire type, feed rate, and dielectric fluid pressure. Fix the workpiece and install the wire using an automatic threading system. Machining occurs in deionized water or dielectric oil through discharge sparks. Remove melted material using the dielectric fluid. Separate internal tabs and clean the finish part. Improve surface roughness with a skimming pass if necessary. This process allows highly accurate cutting and complex shape machining with minimal material deformation, ideal for precision molds and micro-components. CNC wire EDM machine AQ55DL, Sodic, Japan, equipped with LN1W CNC controller, travel range X, 550 meter, Y 350 meter, Z 300 meter, wire cutting machine, ACE W535. Daewoo machinery, travel range X, 500 mm, Y 350 meters, 220 meter. Maximum workpiece, size 700 WX 500D X 260H mm. Maximum load capacity 700 kg. CNC super drill, SEDM 354. Equipped with linear motor and high-precision microhead, our Manin products are as follow. Precision machine parts colle, bushing. Mold components press mold cores. Industrial parts pump and valve components. Micro-precision parts, hair scissor components. Metal structures, housings, brackets, plates, etc. Handok Tech will continue to move forward with innovation, reliability, and precision, growing together with our valued customers.